Good morning, my name is Paul Levitt. I'm the author of the STROBOT FOREX trading robot, and here he is. Basically, it's a piece of software that trades the foreign exchange markets. He looks for opportunities, takes buys and sells, manages the trades, and this presentation basically is there to introduce you to it, and for those of you who have STROBOT, to look at some of the new features. Now, markets are shut at the moment. I always do videos when the markets are shut, it's easier. And so I'm going to take you through the features. STROBOT runs on MetaTrader 4, so here he is. Consists of 3 charts. Okay, this is your daily overview, hourly Hakanashi with entries and exits, which I'll show you in a minute. And this is your main STROBOT. This is STROBOT himself. All his code sitting behind there. So let's start off with the easy one. So this is basically showing you what STROBOT is thinking, more or less. Now obviously STROBOT is far more accurate than this chart, because this chart's based on candles and you're kind of getting a rough overview. The most important indicator is down the bottom here, and consists of 2 levels. You see we've got a lower level and an upper level. The upper level is trades he's thinking about, the lower level is trades he actually would like to take. So let's look at, so green's for long and red is for short. So for instance here, and this has got a bullish pair, so STROBOT's look to take a long, let's see, draw a little line, so let's take a look at this long here. So he entered on this candle, and he would enter on that candle, and so he's gone all the way up to here, 70 pips, dropped back to 40 pips, but he would have stopped out about here, or closed the candle, in fact closed it on that candle probably, because the market's kind of lost interest a little bit. Then he would have taken another long here for another long on this candle here, up for another 50 odd, 40 pips. Then another long here, 71 pips, so three longs out of that setups. And this is quite a new thing. This entry here, he used to only take entries when it went flat first, but now because of the new maths we do it there. It will take 119 pips out of that one. This is the huge drop by Swiss franc. Again, STROBOT saw it. There's his entry. We don't actually turn off Swiss franc trading on Friday. There's the entry. It came all the way down here. Now this is a huge trade. Absolutely gigantic. This is make anybody happy. 2,000 pips drop. Incredible. We had some really amazing things happen. Here we go. Here's an entry here. Again, normal traders, you probably can't see this stuff in the markets. 278 pips, sound good? That's what we'd be getting out of that pair. So there's lots of those trades coming in through the market. Some of them are little ones, like there's a little tiny long there. Only gets us about 30, 40 pips, I suppose. Goes in on this candle here. STROBOT sees it come in on this candle. And it goes up to 43 pips, 50 pips. You're probably going to get about 10 pips out of that if you're lucky with the following wind behind you, because it's a very small trade again. Another one here. We do stop out occasionally, but with this version I think that's going to happen even less. 139, 140 pips. If the market's flat, he will try and scalp it. Okay. Again, this is quite a, so you get some little trades as well, bless him. And he'll close on that candle, 23, 24 pips. Didn't really go anywhere, so he'll close there. So we'll come back up and get 10 pips out of that, or 1 pip out of that. Sometimes you get a small loss. The whipsaws, again, what we do is he has an automatic trading stop at 40 pips, so you can use the magic trading stop. We're using the normal one at the moment because of the volatility in the market. Entry here, 140 pips, immediately runs back up here, bounces back up, but we stop out 100 and something pips here. So that'll be fine. Again, you can see all the trades. It shows you the trades he probably is going to take. Let's show you a real live trade that happened on Friday. Dollar, euro, dollar. Again, we had this little baby here, and it was lovely. And we entered it kind of up here, and it came down to here, and it bounced straight back up. But that's okay because we took the pips out of it. It was sort of 80, 90 pips out of that one. Again, you can see that his entries. So basically, and this is where the top of it comes in. He enters above this line, and he goes and he buys below it. So he's looking for a number of things together. he's looking for, this is basically a strength-based calculation over 2 or 3 time periods, and this is not a moving average. If you plot a moving average on there, you'll find it won't match. This is another mathematical calculation based on a few time periods at the same time, and so it shows us whereabouts he's trading. Again, hourly chart. It's all based on the hourly chart. Again, you can see how he follows it. You see how it follows down and then he breaks up. You think this is a moving average. It's not. You see the Heikin Ashi doesn't quite get it quite as well. So STROBOT is able to see in the market. So you see he stays out of this. Doesn't touch it. He enters a short on this candle, a little short down to there. And he goes safe for 30 pips. So he stops, moves inside entry. So there you go. Look at that short there. That's a lovely one. Look at the size of that. Down to there. 290 pips. Yeah. We've got a lovely entry on a long on this candle here. Again, you can see it's just below it, 165 pips. So you can see it's a really different way of trading to what you're probably used to. A lot of people spend a lot of time drawing lines on charts and trying to predict the future. I don't believe in that. I think what you need to do is look at what's happening now and trade on that. The other thing is he has spread protection in there, so if the broker wraps the spread up above 7 pips, he won't take trades in that pair. Brokers do that. See, this one's 15 pips, so you just ignore the trades. At weekends, you'll find brokers will ramp up the pips because they want you to stop out, basically. So sometimes you'll find that your trades stop out, and in fact, at the weekend, we've got a few trades that went on just before the weekend, and they now are at a slight loss, but that's okay because Monday they'll sort themselves out. Now, so that's that screen basically. So this is the thing where you really see what's going on with STROBOT and what he's thinking about doing. We've also got this one. This is your daily overview. We've got currency strength meter over here. We've got currency strength here on a daily basis. So you can see the weakest currency, obviously, at the moment is the euro. Is just disappeared through the floor. The Swiss franc is absolutely rammed up against the top of the chart. You can change charts just by using these buttons. So if you've got a tablet, it's really easy. There you go. If you've got a tablet, it's really easy to switch around. Same on this chart as well. If you want to switch charts, you can use these buttons. Buy currency, sell currency, switch charts, or you can. If you're a scroller like me, I like to scroll through the charts and just see what's going on. Here we go. Scrolling through the charts. So that's just great, and then you can see what's going on there. Now, the most important chart probably is one that we don't look at, and that's the STROBOT chart itself, and what it actually shows you normally when we've got live trading going, you'll see a set of trades there. If you want to see an example, have a look on the STROBOT.rocks website. There's a section called charts. I think we've got it up here actually. So on charts, you can actually see a live one in progress. And here is, you can see that you've got this data down here. It's showing you all the trades it's got in profit. It shows you the amount of pips you're in profit, losses, and everything like that. It's all shown on the chart. So the other thing about this is we've got a thing called the traders portal, STROBOT.rocks. You can close trades from here on the web. That's really true. We've also got this FOREX news feed that allows you to see posts from STROBOT. We've got different news feeds that's updated live. We've got a Facebook page, all kinds of other things, and there's the STROBOT community as well, which is a group of traders who we're all on Skype in a group basically, and you can chat, and if you've got ideas you can suggest them and they get coded in if they're good. This development has been going on about 6 years, so he's been through a lot of metamorphoses, and this is kind of where it's at now. So I hope that's helpful. There's a sell on here. Look, see that sell? Minus 32 bits profit. There's the reason. Look at the spread on that. 30 pips. So in reality, on Sunday night when it goes live, this is just a demo account. That'll go back to like 2 pips. In fact, so let's look at that on this different currency. Euro GBP. Let's just switch to this one. Over there. Select chart. Euro GBP. Okay, we've not got a trade on it. There you go. Shows you. But actually, this broker's weekend 9 pips. That's about normal. They all ramp up their spread at the weekend. It's a little trick to stop out traders. Okay, so there you go. But we don't really want to use a stop loss. We don't want to need to use it. So we have a big enough stop loss to move. With the Swiss pairs at the moment, you have to have huge stop losses to trade them. So we've actually got them disabled just for now. Although I may enable them again on Monday because it's actually settling down quite a lot. So I hope that's helpful. That's it basically. So the website's http://www.strobot.rocks. Or strobot.co.uk goes there as well. And basically, this is Strobot. I hope that's helpful. And thanks for watching.